you are looking for a roof rack, check this video. Hi, Wandering Wheels. I have been asked a few different times about my roof rack. I think my roof rack is a great option for anyone that owns a Chevy High top or a GMC Savannah, any van that is high top with rain rails on the side of the van. I've already installed my roof rack. I am going to walk around and I'm going to show you how I put it on my van, which is the normal procedure. You will notice that there are silver bars which I added to them. There is a packing list which I'll show you right here, and in that everything that you need comes with the roof rack. The only things you need are tools to install and drills. 4 points where you will have to drill depending on the height of your roof, your high top. Mine, I think, is like a medium high top. There are some that are even taller, and you'll notice that I cut my poles down. I did that for a specific reason because I wanted a solar rack attached. Now, you don't have to cut yours down if you do not want to, or maybe you need the full length because yours is the high top. Mine is a medium high top, and you can make it to your height. With this roof rack, I did purchase it all from Amazon. Therefore, I do have an affiliate link in the description below. If you do use that affiliate link, I will make a profit off anything you buy with that link. There's no extra cost to you. With that being said, let's go outside and look at this roof rack. Here's the roof rack that we've installed in my van. This works great for vans that have the rain rail on the van here. There's this little lip and it latches. These two pieces of metal come separate. It pinches in between the two metals. This one is actually attached to the leg that goes over the roof of the van. My van is a Chevy Express high top, and this is why I love this roof rack. Is my roof is all fiberglass. From this rail up is all fiberglass. I do not want to install or attach anything to this roof other than the max air fan, which was a little nerve-wracking to cut into. Everything else is put on this roof rack. My solar panels. Sorry for all the bugs, but it's Vanlife. This is an addition to the roof rack. All the white pieces, except them clips, them were made by a friend. But all these white pieces came with a roof rack. These pipes right here or longer, we cut them down. They would interfere with this aluminum rack that we made. This pole right here is separate, and then this bracket is separate, and this is separate, and then you put your bolt in there. There is a hole that goes inside of this one. You have 4 bolts on each side. Then you put this piece, and if you see this little lip here, this is one separate metal bracket. You put the bolts through here and you tighten them down and you pinch it in this rain well. This here's for my awning, which I'm going to have a video on that. Make sure that you're subscribed and have that notification on. You can see when that video is published. We bought separate caps that did not come with it. I will link the caps and the roof rack in the description below. If you look at the description in the Amazon link, it will give you a huge detailed list of GMC, the Savannahs, the Express. I did look. It does not say that this will work on a Ford. I'm assuming because they don't have that rain lip. These brackets here, they're the cross members, and they are adjustable. If you need it longer, if you have a wider van, this will work too. And these
all came in one packet. The only drilling that we had to do was right here. We drilled the hole for that.
You have to measure where do you want this located at on this long pipe. Once you figured out where this bracket, which hold the cross member, once you figured out the length of that, then you need to drill here. These are already pre-drilled on this piece, but you will have to drill on this one. And on this bracket, there's holes already made. All the holes are already made on this bracket. On this hole that goes up is where you have to drill. Then you put your bolt in here.
And obviously this was a homemade rack for my solar. I will have that video coming soon. Hopefully this helps you on finding out if this is a good rack for your van. In the description of Amazon, and I'm gonna try to get a picture of this, it also came with ladder loops if you needed it for a ladder or if you needed it for a cargo carrier. They would probably help with attaching it to the roof rack. All the hardware to install this comes with. In these two boxes right over here and here are going to be a video that is related to this video, and the other one is the one that YouTube thinks you should watch. Look into that now.